These are gonna be the elevators at the Westin in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Look at these amazing elevators. See, this one just randomly opened. Let's go up to 10. Here we go. This is a very unique building. Let's get a cab view while we're at it. Look at that ceiling. That's really cool. Very uniquely shaped, and they are quite huge too. Very big. It's got a 4,000 pound capacity. These were innovated. I don't know when, but they used to be Otis. The indicator's broken, but let's admire this amazing building. Wow, these things are so cool. Yeah, this building's amazing. Look at that. These things are awesome. All right, let's call an elevator now. And it wants to shut on me. Let's take one more ride. Yeah, these things are amazing. As you can see, they used to be Otis, then they were innovated. These things are really fun. And they're quite smooth. Then we're stopping at 4. Yeah, I got this for you. Yeah, that's cool. Well, that'll be it.